How to get your first client on Upwork. Struggling to land your first client on Upwork? You're not alone. Most freelancers quit before even getting started. Not because they're not skilled, but because they don't know how to stand out. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how I and hundreds of others got that crucial first client. Let's go. Why the first client is the hardest? Getting your first Upwork client feels impossible. You have no reviews, no job success score, and often no portfolio tailored to the platform. But here's the truth. Upwork's algorithm wants to give new freelancers a chance. You just have to prove you're serious, reliable, and easy to work with. Once you get the first review, things start moving faster. Step-by-step game plan. Step 1. Set up a niche-specific profile. Don't make a generalist profile. Focus on one skill, whether it's Google Ads, blog writing, video editing, or WordPress fixes. Use a clear title like Google Ads Setup and Optimization Expert, Certified Plus Case Studies. Upload a real friendly photo. Write an intro that focuses on the client's goals, not your life story. Step 2. Create one tailored portfolio sample to show your future clients. Even if you've never had a client, make a sample project that proves you can deliver. For example, run some test Google Ads campaigns by yourself if you are working on Google Ads. Analyze the data and create Google Ads case study report to show your future clients. Or if you are going to land a job as a web developer, then create a landing page design or write a website blog or social posts. Step 3. Start with small fixed price jobs. Use filters to find short-term jobs with under 5 proposals. Look for ones that say entry level and offer $2,100 fixed prices. Step 4. Write short, personalized proposals. Your first 3 lines must show you read their job post. Use their name, reference a line from their ad, and give a quick win. Don't write your whole CV. Example proposal. Hi John, I noticed you need help setting up Google Ads for your plumbing business. I recently helped a similar local service get 120 plus leads in 3 weeks. I'd love to do the same for you and can even send a sample strategy today. Shall we connect? Step 5. Apply to 3-5 jobs daily, consistently for 7 days. This is the part most people skip. You may need 30-50 quality proposals to land your first job, but it only takes one yes.